The power of pauses. Unlocking silent communication in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into a very unique and often overlooked aspect of communication in English-speaking cultures: the power and significance of pauses and silence. Yes, sometimes what isn't said speaks louder than words. In English, as in many languages, the way we pause or remain silent carries weight. It's not just about the absence of words, but the intent and emotion behind that absence. 1. Dramatic effect. Pauses can be used to build suspense or emphasize a point. For instance, the winner is pause, John. 2. Thoughtfulness. A pause can indicate that someone is thinking or choosing their words carefully. 3. Respect. In sensitive or emotional conversations, a pause can show that one is taking the other's words into consideration. 4. Sign of discomfort. A long, unexpected silence might indicate discomfort or that something is wrong. In English-speaking cultures, the length and timing of silences can convey different meanings. 1. Comfortable silence. Not every moment needs to be filled with words. Sometimes, silence indicates mutual understanding or a moment of reflection. 2. Awkward silence. This type of silence happens when a topic makes participants uncomfortable or when no one knows what to say next. 3. Respectful silence. During moments like a minute's silence for remembrance, everyone remains quiet as a sign of respect. While silence can be powerful, it's crucial to navigate it appropriately. 1. Reading the room. It's essential to gauge the mood and reactions of those you're communicating with. If a silence feels uncomfortable, it might be helpful to change the topic or ask an open-ended question. 2. Being present. Embrace pauses as moments to listen actively and reflect, rather than rushing to fill them. 3. Checking in. If you're unsure about the reason for someone's silence, it's okay to check in with them with a gentle, "Is everything okay?" Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the silent aspects of communication. Remember, in English and indeed in many languages, it's not always the words that carry the message. Sometimes, the most profound statements are made in the quiet moments. We hope you found this lesson enlightening, and we encourage you to listen beyond the words. See you next time.